Hi, my name is John Erickson. Yes, I'd be willing to shave. I was just thinking about a recent experience I had going to a medical facility, and one that comes to mind, a positive one, was when my parents were visiting my brother and I and our families on a short vacation in San Diego. My mom, bless her soul, she just turned 75, thinks she can move around like she was in her 50s, was chasing my brother's son and daughter, my niece and nephew, who are 5 and 3, around the playground. Long story short, she tripped and fell, slipped on some leaves, and asked to be taken to a hospital. Now for her, that's a big deal because she's a nurse. And growing up, my brother and I rarely ever went to the hospital because she could always fix the problem. She could do her own stitches, just a little bit of ice, maybe a Band-Aid. But in this case, she asked to go to the local facility, so we took her to emergency care, where we received excellent service. She even said so herself. We were in and out in under an hour. She received the x-rays she asked for. They were taken a look at by a doctor. Turns out she had a deep bruise. They gave her some crutches, they gave her some medicine, and the best part about it was that my brother's kids were entertained the entire time. There were games in the lobby, there was TV playing. It seemed like the time flew by. So long story short, we had a great time. Everybody was taken care of, especially my mom, and she was back on her feet in no time. Isn't that right, Pop? Yeah, this is the same tackle box, the same rod we used when we were kids. All right, so I think the key to fishing here in this pond is finding the best spot where the fish are biting. What do you think, James? Yeah? All right, so you want to take the rod and you want to figure out where to aim it. I think right over there by that log. You see that? There's a little bit of algae there. Perfect. We want to be very careful when we bring the rod back. And we want to hold on to it, all right? Good, and I'll help you. Perfect. You see it? Yeah, right there. Good stuff. I think we're ready to catch one.